Hey guys, Sean here from Hobby Dad. So I've done a few videos on customizing keyboards and stuff, but I just like to apologize for that. I took it under the assumption that everybody knows how to actually remove the keycaps and remove the switches. So I'm gonna do a short video today on how to actually do this, and we'll be using the Christmas edition keyboard that I built a while ago. If you didn't check that video out, I'll have it linked down below. So, onto the video. Whenever you buy a keyboard, you could get one of these keycap pullers. It's just a keycap puller. These generally come with a non-hot swap keyboard, or you could get one of these like 2-in-1 kind of thing, a puller, or you could get these that came with my RedDragon keyboard. So I'm going to show you quickly the easiest way I came about to take this off. We're just going to use the normal pure keycap one. So let's zoom in. So you would take a keycap, pinch and pull. So I'm not sure if you can see. Let's get a different angle on this. Okay, hopefully this angle works. So if you put it down and turn it, you're grabbing the corners and then you just pull. So put it down, turn it, and then pull up, turn it down so that it grabs the, instead of trying to squeeze it like that, put it down, turn it, pull up. So now that you've got some switches exposed, we're going to try and pull these up, but you would have to squeeze, like properly squeeze. Give it a wiggle and pull it up. So let's try these ones from RedDragon. Squeeze, wiggle, pull up. The reality is these keyboards take a long time to customize. I think this one took maybe an hour. So that's removing all the keycaps, all the switches, replacing all the switches, and then putting on all the keycaps as well. But hopefully that helped you. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Until next time.